Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize TalkBack's gesture to triple tap with two fingers options and the hold in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So where to look for, where to look for TalkBack's gesture and how to change them. First, settings. Next, in settings we're looking for accessibility, then TalkBack. Next, settings, and here we have customize gestures. Customize gestures, yes. Now we are looking for the two fingers options. Here is one finger gesture, one finger back and forth, one finger angle, two fingers. Here it is. And we need to triple tap and hold. Here it is, the last option. By default, we have an option assigned here, but we can change it to whatever we want from this list. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.